Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. This is CBSE Class 10 Math Series. In this class, we'll be solving second example problem. In my previous video, I have uploaded first example problem. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It will be helpful for you. Now, we are going to see the question. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. Find the LCM. What is LCM? LCM is least common multiple and HCF, highest common factor of 6 and 20 by the prime factorization method. It is easy. If you know the concept of prime factorization method, you can solve this problem. In my previous classes, I have explained about this. Do check it out. It will be easy for you. Now we can see the solution. For the solution, we have to write what is given in the question. What is given in the question? 6 and 20. What we need to find out? HCF and LCM using which method? Prime factorization. Okay, now we are going to find out HCF and LCM of 6 and 20 using prime factorization method. Already I have explained about this. What is prime factorization? It's the shortest division method for finding prime factors, right? We are going to use L method for this. So I'm taking 6 first. I'm going to use L method. First, we'll be starting from the smallest prime. What is the smallest prime number? 2, right? So, I have to divide this 6 by 2. If I am dividing 6 by 2, I'll be getting 3 as a quotient. So, I have to write 3 here. 3 into 2, 6, right? 2 3s are 6. And now, if I am dividing this 3 by 2, again, I'll be getting some remainder, right? So, here the concept is whatever number we are taking as a prime factor for dividing some numbers, that should completely divide that particular number, okay? But we have without leaving the remainder, that is the concept. But if you are getting some remainder, we should not go for that number. We should skip that number and go for next prime. So, I can go for next prime, that is 3, right? If I am dividing 3 by 3, I'll be getting the remainder as quotient as 1. Right? Remainder is 0. So I can stop here. So this is the factors of 6, right? Prime factors of 6. I can write prime factors of 6 is 2 into 3. Whatever number we have outside is called as prime factors. We have to write 2 into 3. Okay. And now, next number is 20, right? So, I am going to find out the prime factors of 20. I can check with smallest prime. What is smallest prime? 2. So, if I am dividing 20 by 2, I will be getting 1, 2 is 2 and 0. And again 2, 5 2s are 10. And if I am dividing 5 by 2, I will be getting some remainder. So, I am checking with 3. If I am dividing 5 by 3, I will be getting some remainder. So, I can check with 5, right? 5 by 5, 1. So, here the factors are 2 into 5, right? Prime factors of 20 is 2 into 5. Okay, we have found the prime factors using prime. This is all about prime factorization. So now we have to find out the HCF. That is the question. HCF means highest common factor. What is the number which is common in both? We have to check this both. This 2 into 3 and 2 into 5. What is the common factor in both? 3, right? This 2, right? 2 is the common factor. So we can write HCF of 6, 20. 6, 20 is 2. Okay. Whatever number we are having as common in both, that is HCF. Okay. And next is LCM. LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple of 6, 20 is, here this 2 is a common. So we can take only one 2. We should not write both 2. In this pair, we have to write only one 2. We have to take only one and multiply this with all the numbers, all other factors. Okay. In this case, whatever common numbers we have, you have to take only one number and multiply that with all other factors, like 3 into 2 into 5. I am taking only one 2 from here. 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. So 2 into 3 into, again 2 into 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 12 5s are 5 2s are 10. 1 5 is 5. 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 6. So I am getting 6. So LCM of 6, 20 is 60. HCF of 6, 20 is 2. This is all about the answer of second example problem. This is very simple. You have to know the concept of prime factorization. Then you can solve this problem easily. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. Hit like button. We'll see you in another video. Until then, signing off.